outstanding design defines the 2009 Nissan Versa. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.